In the moonlit magic shop, shadows dance around Glee, a porcelain doll perched high among forgotten toys. As the clock tower strikes midnight, a spark of life flickers within Glee. Her head tilts, and Glee whispers her longing, "I want to see the world outside." In a vibrant, glowing forest, Glee finds herself amidst a symphony of talking flowers and singing butterflies. A shimmering fairy appears, her wings ablaze with the light of bioluminescent flora. As she extends an invitation, "I will show you my world, but you must promise to always tell the truth." Glee, her eyes shining with promise, responds with heartfelt sincerity. "I promise to be truthful." Glee bursts back into the magic shop as dawn breaks, casting long shadows across the silent toys. She scrambles back onto her shelf, heart pounding as she whispers, "Truth and promises, that's the real magic." The fairy nods sadly, then fades away as the shop floods with the bright morning light.